Uy, ano ba mga guys?
Grabe yan.
Grabe.
Ang ging-ging yan, no?
May sapatos.
Oy, sapatos? What's up guys? We're again next store. I'm with Brother Carl.
And with Brother Nico.
Yan. So instead na magbebenta kami today, kami naman yung bibili.
Oh.
Ano ba trip mong bili ngayon?
Tayo natin pipili ng mga watches. Twinning, syempre.
Ay, ganda rin naman ang drip ngayon. Lululemon.
Ano lang to? Simple lang tayo, pare. Pare, ito, flip serie ko to ha. Fast flip serie. So, mura to. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Buti ano, may time si Joshua Garcia na kasama niya.
Ayan.
Pare, di ba?
Baby Joshua. So here it is. Shit.
Oh my God.
So, meron tayo dito mga Cartier natin. I have a medium. I don't know kasi si Brother Card, medyo maliit yung wrist.
Yeah.
If ever lang you wanted a nice stout, mas bagay sa'yo. We have a Blue Sea, we have a Starbucks.
Grabe, ang gaganda na to.
Yun yung mga kaya ko i-fast flip.
Gusto kong makita yung ano eh, yung sa risk kung ano yung itsura ng ano. Kailan
Sige.
bang tingnan natin to?
Sige, tignan mo lahat.
Ano makita bro?
Ako bahala sa'yo, boss.
Ito yung Starbucks.
Yes, this is the Starbucks.
Parang tumitingin ka masyado sa Starbucks, pare ah.
Okay, ikaw brother. Ako kasi I'm torn actually brother. So, Blue Sea or Starbucks.
Ooh, yan yung pinag-iisipan mo sa dalawa.
Mm.
Okay, alright, sige.
I'm just trying to think. Tingnan mo muna ano ikaw, ano mo napupusuan mo?
Doon ako sa ice outs. Kasi
Ang bilis
Okay.
niya.
doon ako sa ice outs.
Sana
Pero I'm
mabilis tayo
considering
lahat,
either this, yung
Black.
black, which is I think sapphire daw eh.
Sapphire tong black. This is not diamonds, this is sapphire.
I need a little bit ano lang, siguro added links for this brother.
Meron yan, may kasama links yan. Favorite steals na date na Submariner ni Paring Gian.
Okay, sige. Ikaw brother, decided ka na? Bro, may gift kami sa inyo, pero something
Uy!
small lang.
Grabe ka
Lagi
naman.
na, lagi nabili sa
Wala
akin.
ka na.
Para bagay dun sa ano, sa binili niyang jacket eh. Ayun,
Yun!
Kaya. brother.
Meron pa. Wala na, sinuulan na ako, tapos tatawad ng malaki.
Strip check.
How much is your, kumbaga parang, wiggle room for this one, brother?
Actually yan, sa totoo lang, unfortunately for you, yan yung pinakamababa dito ang room. Pero may room pa rin. 870 bro.
This is
870.
Okay.
Gawin ko na lang 840. 30,000 off. You want 835? Sige.
For dito naman.
Parang mas bagay pa nga sa kanya yung lies, no?
Yung black
Mo
mo
nga,
no?
large. How much is for the iced large?
Itong iced large. For this one, 780. Bro! Ano, 50? 50? Oh, 730 daw. 50 na. I'll give you 60,000 discount.
Uy! 60,000! Grabe naman!
Expect ko
Pass flip na pass flip ah. Okay.
So magiging 720.
720 siya dito. So parang magandang discount yung makukuha natin for the ice stout.
Pero parang matitikuhan mo talaga yung ice stout
Arabic.
eh, no? Sige, G ako.
Ah,
Arabic
okay.
guys, let's go!
Okay. Sige, so magkano total natin? 835, 720.
825, 1,500,000. Tama ba? 1.555.
1.550.
1.550. Yun na.
5K.
Parang 750 na kami.
Sige.
Alright, then deal.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you, idol. Niregaluhan tayo, pare.
Na naka-deal natin kanina kay Paring Hive. Pinaready natin yung box, papers, and everything. So, kunin natin. Boss. Basta kita. Kala mo ngayon na nakita eh.
Ano talaga?
Oo eh.
Wala yung mga boss
Ito nga pala yung Godfather ko. Yung ano naman ba yung Godfather? Si ano to, si Al Pacino.
For the Starbucks. Pwede ko bibig. And then yung
Si
ice.
brother, basta si Boss Ray. Gian,
The
siyempre.
books of the Cartier.
Ano yan? Di nyo na kailangan.
And then the books of the
Ito nga
Starbucks.
pala yung belo na binili sa akin ni Boss Ray. And maraming salamat.
I-adjust na natin sa inyo.
Sakto. Uy, ano ba mga guys?
Grabe yan.
Grabe.
Ang ging-ging yan, no? Boss, transfer na ba yun?
Oh!
Thank you, man.
So yun, it's official, magastos kami. Ngayon guys, a lot of people might say na medyo magastos kami ni Carl with the purchases that we did today. Pero actually guys, as a business owner, I really think it's important that you really reward yourself. Especially kung nag-work hard ka naman and all that. It serves as fuel kasi para you stay hungry, you stay motivated, di ba? Di ba?
Sorry.
Drip check. Okay, sige, game card.
Muna na ako. Supreme Varsity Giant na blue. 45,000 guys. Cactus Jack Blink Pendant 8.5.
Game.
Yeah. Tank Top ng MLB 3.5. Geopants 1299. Then yung Loewe Cloud Tilt version 2 45,000. Then lastly yung wash natin Cartier Iced Out Santos 720,000.
Grabe yun sa akin. Ano lang, so medyo terno kami ni Brother Carl. I'm wearing the Supreme Varsity Jacket color red. This is for 50,000 pesos. For the cap, we have the MLB cap, I think 3,000 pesos. And then for the shirt, we have the Jordan Brick by Brick shirt. This is for 4,500. For the pants, we have the Guess Rip pants. This is for 2,000. Sa shoes natin, we have the J4 Nigel Sylvester Brick by Brick. This is for 28,000 to 30,000, depends on your size. And for the watch, we have the Rolex Starbucks. So this is for 820,000 pesos. So ayun guys, a lot of people might say na medyo magastos kami ni Carl with the purchases that we did today. Pero actually guys, as a business owner, I really think it's important that you really reward yourself. Especially kung nag-work hard ka naman and all that. It serves as fuel kasi para you stay hungry, you stay motivated, di ba? Di ba? Eh, inubo na sa...
Sorry. Nakala ko pa kasi.
Dapat sa sumo!
Wait lang.